Hello everyone, we're back. Today we're doing a review and unboxing and all that on this Samshow 120 decibel alarm clock. So let's get right to it. There we have it. Looks like the clock, charger, instructions. We're back. So I want to give you a quick rundown on this. Looks really cool. The display is really nice. It's big. It's got different buttons on there. You can do the 12-hour or the 24-hour. So I like the kind of what they call it military time, where it goes to 0 hours to 24 to 23, 59 hours basically. And then, or you can do the 12-hour, which a lot of people are used to. So it's 10 p.m. or it's 22:12. Then it has the alarm clock, which I have set already. And to set it, you just push down the alarm clock. It'll start making one of these blink up here, and then you set it. So this button, you press it once, starts playing. You just use a plus or minus button to scroll through them. So you can start out at number 1, typical alarm. Oh, I hate that one. Cuckoo clock, phone ringing, rooster crowing, lullaby. Cool farm music maybe? Beautiful music. I think this might put me to sleep. I don't know, some kind of polka or something? Beautiful. I think this sounds familiar. Oh, for Elise. I love this song. Oh. Ha ha! Okay. Happy birthday. That's going to get you up. Ha ha! It's my birthday! Not sure. Pretty though. I hate that one. Ah, a meadow with a little brook running through the middle of it, and birdies and deer and stuff. Maybe some bunnies. Okay, you get the picture. And then plus or minus. Once you set hold the alarm, it'll go to like this. You can switch it up or down to set your time. And let's see, it's already had the date. Oh, that's loud. That's really loud. It's getting louder, I think. Beautiful, though. I don't know if I want to fall asleep or turn it off. It's really loud. Oh, okay. No joke, folks. I don't know if you heard that as loud as I did, but it felt like it was getting progressively louder. And although the music was beautiful and soothing, it's really loud. It really wanted to make me shut it off and not fall back to sleep. Then I wanted to show you other functions on this because it's got some other really cool functions, like the light on the bottom here. And you can, I don't know how well you can see that. Let me turn off the light. Okay, so you can't see me, and that's a problem, but you can see the light here on the bottom now. And you can dim that light. There's a switch or a little dial on the right-hand side of the clock, and you can dim the light if you want. And you turn it back up. Okay? And you can also dim the display. So there's also a dial on the right where you can dim the display to completely off. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick in the dark. I'm back! So that's really cool. To turn off the light all the way, you can just hold this button down for like 3 seconds and the light goes off. Then the display has all kinds of cool colors. You just keep hitting this and it's like it has a bunch of different, then it starts mixing the colors up. Really cool. I mean, look at that. Yeah, it cycles through a bunch of different stuff, so that's really cool. It also, I believe the light on the bottom, you turn it on, yeah, you can cycle through. You seeing that on my hand maybe, you can cycle through different colors on the bottom as well. So you don't just have to have the light, the white light. So that's a really cool feature as well. It's a really nice looking alarm clock. It is very loud as advertised. I don't know what 120 decibels is. I think it's compared to like a chainsaw, like a motorbike revving, something like that. It's loud. As you can see, the display also like it changes and stuff. So it's really cool. I think this would be like perfect in a kid's room. Um, it could take the place of a nightlight, I would think, because it is so bright, has a nice big display. So overall, I think this is a really cool looking alarm clock. So thanks for watching my review, and yes, it is loud. Okay, bye.